Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall Riot client. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So in order to uninstall the Riot client, first thing that you're gonna need to do is come down here to the taskbar and click onto the search box on the left, and then I want you to type in remove. Then click onto the first result that appears above here. You're gonna find yourself in the apps section of the settings, and from here I want you to click onto the search box in the top of the page and look for Riot client. And once it appears, go ahead and give it a click if you're using Windows 10, but here since I'm using the Windows 11, I will have to click onto the three dots next to it and then select uninstall down here. Now this is normally all what you have to do if you want to delete Riot client, but sometimes you might face some issues. For example, in some cases Riot client won't appear here, or it seems to be appearing and the uninstallation went all good until you notice that you still have instances, which means that it didn't fully get deleted from the system. So if that's the case, we're gonna have to try another approach. So you can just close this window, and now from your desktop I want you to come back to the search box underneath and give it a click and type in Riot client. Once it appears in the results, go up here and right click on it and then select the second option from the drop down menu, which says open file location. It's gonna take you to this folder, and from here I wanted to click onto this arrow up here so you can come back up a folder, and you're gonna see this Riot Games folder is highlighted, and if not, make sure to click onto it once so you can highlight it and then press onto the delete button from your keyboard. So once that folder is deleted, you want to come back to your desktop, and now we're gonna have to open up the app called Run. So you can either hold on the Windows button and then press R using your keyboard, or you can simply come back again to the search box down here, give it a click and then type in Run. And once it appears, click on it and this pop-up window will appear in the bottom left corner like this. Click onto the search box and type in App Data. And then press Enter, and it's gonna take you to this folder right here. Now the next thing that you want to do is open up the local folder, and then from here look for the folder named Riot Games. So click onto this file once to highlight it and then press onto the delete button in your keyboard. If you receive this message, that's because Riot client is still running, so I want you to come down here to this arrow in the taskbar, give it a click and then right click onto the Riot client icon and then select exit. Once you do, you can try again pressing onto the delete button and the folder should be successfully deleted. Now once this is done, we're just gonna have to do one last thing. So you wanna come down to this Riot client shortcut in your desktop and right click on it and then select open file location. And what you wanna do again is delete this folder. So click onto this arrow up here to come back up a folder and then click onto it once again. And now here's our Riot Games folder that we wanna delete. So make sure to highlight it and then press onto the delete button in your keyboard. And then I'm gonna click onto yes right here. Once this is done, you can just go back here to your desktop and through this shortcut in the recycle bin. And now you can see if I try to look for Riot, there is nothing coming up, which means that all the instances of Riot client has been successfully deleted from your PC. So that's it, that's how to uninstall Riot client. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.